Welcome to the world of classic American cars, where nostalgia meets engineering excellence. Today, we're diving into a gem from the late 80s that still turns heads and sparks conversations. The 1989 Pontiac 6000 STE AWD. This car is a unique blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology for its time. In this video, we'll explore everything that makes the Pontiac 6000 STE AWD stand out, from its striking exterior and refined interior to its impressive performance capabilities. So, buckle up as we take a journey back to the golden age of Pontiac. Exterior. The 1989 Pontiac 6000 STE AWD boasts a classic design that reflects the bold and distinctive styling of the late 80s. Its sharp lines, aerodynamic profile, and subtle yet commanding presence set it apart from its competitors. The front fascia features a sleek, angular grille flanked by dual rectangular headlights, giving the car a sophisticated yet aggressive look. The headlights themselves are equipped with advanced halogen bulbs, providing excellent visibility and a clear, bright beam that cuts through the night. Moving along the sides, the 6000 STE AWD's body is characterized by smooth, flowing lines that taper towards the rear, creating a dynamic and streamlined silhouette. The car's aerodynamic design isn't just for show. It was engineered to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, a forward-thinking feature for its time. The 15-inch alloy wheels with their unique multi-spoke design add a touch of elegance and sportiness, complementing the car's overall aesthetic. At the rear, the Pontiac 6000 STE AWD features a distinctive tail light assembly that spans the width of the car, accentuating its broad stance. The rear bumper is subtly integrated into the design, providing a clean and cohesive look. The rear spoiler, though understated, adds a sporty flair while also contributing to the car's aerodynamics. The overall exterior design of the 6000 STE AWD is a testament to Pontiac's commitment to creating cars that are both stylish and functional. Interior. Stepping inside the 1989 Pontiac 6000 STE AWD, you're greeted with a cabin that combines comfort, luxury, and advanced technology. The interior is a well-thought-out space designed to enhance the driving experience. The seats are upholstered in high-quality cloth or optional leather, providing excellent comfort and support. The front seats are fully adjustable, allowing drivers to find their perfect driving position with ease. Additionally, the seats are heated, a rare feature in cars of this era, ensuring comfort during colder months. The dashboard of the 6000 STE AWD is a blend of functionality and style. The driver-oriented cockpit features an array of analog gauges, providing all the essential information at a glance. The speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge are all clearly visible and easy to read. The center console houses the controls for the climate control system, audio system, and other essential functions. The car is equipped with a premium audio system, offering excellent sound quality for an immersive listening experience. One of the standout features of the interior is the digital trip computer, an advanced piece of technology for the late 80s. This system provides drivers with valuable information, including fuel consumption, range, and average speed. The interior also includes ample storage space with a spacious glove compartment, door pockets, and a large trunk, making it practical for everyday use. The interior design is further complemented by soft-touch materials and wood grain accents, adding a touch of luxury to the cabin. The overall feel of the interior is one of refinement and sophistication, making the Pontiac 6000 STE AWD a pleasure to drive and ride in. Performance. Under the hood, the 1989 Pontiac 6000 STE AWD is powered by a robust 3.1-liter V6 engine. This engine delivers 135 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque, providing the car with ample power for a smooth and responsive driving experience. The engine is mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission, which ensures seamless gear shifts and optimal performance. The 6000 STE AWD's all-wheel drive system is one of its most notable features, offering excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. This system makes the car capable of handling everything from wet and slippery roads to light off-road conditions. The all-wheel drive system, combined with the car's well-tuned suspension, provides a smooth and controlled ride, making it a joy to drive on both highways and winding roads. In terms of acceleration, the 6000 STE AWD can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 10 seconds, which was quite respectable for a car of its class and era. The car's top speed is around 120 miles per hour, providing plenty of power for highway driving. The braking system, featuring front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, offers strong and reliable stopping power, ensuring safety and confidence behind the wheel. Fuel efficiency is another strong point for the Pontiac 6000 STE AWD. With an average fuel economy of around 20 amp in the city and 28 amp on the highway, the car offers a good balance of power and efficiency. This makes it an economical choice for long-distance travel and daily commuting alike. Technology and features. The 1989 Pontiac 6000 STE AWD comes equipped with a host of advanced features that were ahead of their time. The car includes a keyless entry system, allowing for convenient access without fumbling for keys. The power windows, mirrors, and locks add to the car's convenience and ease of use. One of the standout technological features is the electronic trip computer, which provides drivers with a wealth of information at their fingertips. This system includes a digital display that shows fuel economy, distance to empty, average speed, and more. This feature was quite advanced for its time and adds a modern touch to the car's interior. The climate control system in the 6000 STE AWD is another highlight, offering automatic temperature control to maintain a comfortable cabin environment. The system is easy to use, with clearly labeled controls and a responsive interface. The car also comes with a premium audio system, featuring AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and high-quality speakers for an enjoyable listening experience. The Pontiac 6000 STE AWD also prioritizes safety, with features such as anti-lock brakes, ABS, and a reinforced safety cage. These features provide added protection in the event of a collision, ensuring the safety of both the driver and passengers. Seats and comfort. The seats in the 1989 Pontiac 6000 STE AWD are designed with comfort and support in mind. The front seats are fully adjustable, with options for adjusting the height, recline, and lumbar support. This ensures that drivers and passengers can find their ideal seating position, reducing fatigue on long drives. The seats are also heated, providing extra warmth during cold weather. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, making the 6000 STE AWD comfortable for passengers of all sizes. The rear seat backs can be folded down, expanding the already spacious trunk area and providing additional cargo space when needed. The quality of the upholstery, whether cloth or leather, adds to the overall comfort and luxury of the interior. Sound and entertainment. The 1989 Pontiac 6000 STE AWD is equipped with a premium audio system that offers excellent sound quality. The system includes an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and a set of high-quality speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin. This setup provides a rich and immersive listening experience, whether you're enjoying your favorite music or catching up on the latest news. The audio controls are conveniently located on the dashboard, within easy reach of the driver. This allows for easy adjustment of the volume, tuning, and audio settings without taking your eyes off the road. The system also includes a built-in equalizer, allowing you to customize the sound to your preferences.